Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add music to your video on the Premiere Rush application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should select a video either by tapping on the plus icon down below or selecting one that you have already inserted. Now click on the plus icon, which is the first option down below, and click on audio. Here you can find these soundtracks, sound effects, loops. You can also tap on the more button in order to select from more options. Tap on the relevant one that you want to add. Now click on the add button in the right side corner of the screen down below. And now as you can see, you have added this audio. It's indicated in the middle of the screen. So if you play the video, you will be able to listen to it. And if you want to put it, for example, at the end of the video, just simply hold your finger on it and move it within this scale and position it to the relevant section of your video where you would like to insert it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.